Keyseat for the hub. The difference between a hub and a shaft is that on the hub that fits over the shaft, the circular area actually is more concave rather than convex. We measure the keyseat, we'll still measure the same width, roughly the same depth. The length, fairly obvious, the length of the keyset as we would measure it in. Length, fairly obvious, is the net dimension about that length. Width, side to side, depth, up to down. Now measuring the width first, again use a set of calipers, using the inside diameter part of the caliper. Install in, separate out. The number that we come up with, 0.159 inches. 0.159 inches. For length of the keyset, we again measure the same 1.5 inches we had before. Notice we go from the straight edge all the way to the top of the hub. For keyseat depth, we really can't put the plunger inside because we can't clear the bottom of the caliper with the shaft hole. So what we have to do instead is measure, first of all, the thickness of the hub, using any convenient point to do that, and subtract from that the thickness of the hub at the shaft keyset. The difference between this measurement and this measurement is going to be the depth from here to here, which is the depth of our keyset. So again, using our calipers, zeroing out, we proceed to use the outside caliper and measure from inside the keyset, right from the key slot, and that number that we measure will be 1.185 inches. 1.185 inches. Now we go back and measure from inside the keyset to another spot on the radius, on the arc. You can see here that we catch another part outside the keyset. And for that depth, .281 inches. 1.281 inches. So, from going from the keyset to the rim, we went 1.186 inches. 85 inches, excuse me. And from the inside edge, we went from inside edge to rim of 1.281 inches. 1.281 minus 1.185 is equal to 0.096 inches. So the depth of this keyset from the shaft to the bottom of this keyset is 0.096 inches.